Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 3. And this week, we get to talk about labor. And labor is an important part of your business, it's an important part of your budget. And who you decide to work for your business is going to be a key priority because they're going to be the ones who are going to be in front of your customers, making certain that customer service is what you want it to be, making sure that your food is how you want it to be. So you have to look at who will fit with the type of business you're doing, with the type of culture you're trying to create. Will they share the same core values with you? Do they have the experience that you want them to have? Those are aspects that we're going to look into for this week. Another key component that I want all of you to remember, especially when you're looking at doing your assignment for this week, is that if you are going to put yourself on that schedule that you're going to write for your assignment, you have to be certain that you're not just putting yourself in the kitchen nonstop working on the line. You are a business owner. You have too much and too many responsibilities to just solely be focusing on the kitchen. Because if you're just focusing in one place, you are missing everything else that is happening in your establishment. So you really have to be certain to put the appropriate amount of people in your schedule and look at it as if you are not going to be working there that week, because you can't just be in the line. You have to work on your marketing. You have to work on your customer service. You have to make certain that everybody is doing their jobs, that the policies and procedures are in place, that you're doing the accounting and the books and that, all of this stuff that goes into being a business owner. So remember that when you're looking at this week's assignment. So let's check out what we're doing for this week. So remember, we have the checklist up here. We have a handy dandy discussion this week. It's going to be a fun one. It's to tip or not to tip, because there are some places that don't allow tipping. There are some places that do allow tipping. What are your thoughts on that? I gave you guys 2 different articles to look at, one pro tipping, one against tipping, and you get to decide. Do you think that tipping should still be part of this industry, or do you think it's gone a little too crazy? Because nowadays it used to be 15% was the norm, but it keeps on getting raised, right? Now it's like 20%. And how far is too far for tipping? And do you think it's really going to make a difference for your customers in that level of service if there is going to still be tips involved? Or do you think it would be better if there are no tips involved and that person just gets a regular hourly rate? So you get to decide, and you get to do that discussion, which is due, and it's right here. It's going to be due on Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, with your 2 peer responses due on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So get your discussions going. Get into the topic. It's going to be a great one. So let's hear your opinion. And remember, when you do your peer responses, don't just write I agree or I disagree. You need to back up what you're saying. So what is it about what your peers are saying that you agree with or disagree with? Why do you think it's important or not important? Then we have our live session. Our live session is on Thursdays, as always, at 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Come to the live session. We're going to go over a lot of great information that will really help you with your assignments. So please come to the live sessions. They are going to help because we will be going over this handy dandy assignment. As always, remember, you are going to need to put in your concept summary. That concept summary you made in week 1, you used in week 2, you're going to use it again in week 3. So put that concept summary in here. Remember to read all of this, and you're going to make a copy, and you are going to fill out this worksheet. So come to the live session because we will be going over this in the live session. If you can't make the live session, watch the archive because we're going to go over this assignment in great detail. Now, if anybody has a question, please let me know. I hope everybody has a fabulous week. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys' thoughts are in the discussion. So get in there, do your discussions. And if you have any questions, please reach out and have a great week.